Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Namrata. In today's video, I'm going to share with how my desk setup is look like. Few days back, I have shared a video on a day in a life of software engineer, and I have asked you there whether you would like to see the desk setup of mine. And a lot of you commented yes, so let's get started.
These days, we both work from home, so we have two different workspaces in separate rooms. For the desk, I have this simple foldable and very common table. It has no shelf, no drawer, which makes it minimal. I like empty space for legs, so it's perfect for me. This table have one large platform and one small platform. Along with this, I have this amazing chair. It is adjustable and very comfortable. Let's see how I have set up the table. Well, the arrangement is very simple. To elevate the system, I have used this height adjustable stand. You can adjust its height as per your eye level. I do have another stand which is mostly kept on my other desk. This is quite heavy stand, very sturdy, but the problem is it has a fixed height, so I don't use it, but my partner does. I use this leather mat to keep overall setup. It's anti-skid mat actually. This is very useful mat if your desk platform is bit glossy. In such cases, mouse does not really work efficiently and also items tends to slide. So this kind of mat will avoid it, plus it looks elegant too. As for the system, I have 16-inch MacBook Pro with 1 TB storage. Besides this, I have LG monitor as a second screen. Once I elevate the system position, it's a bit difficult to use keyboard and touchpad, hence I use this wired keyboard and wireless mouse. Nothing fancy, just a small eyeball mouse and a Dell keyboard. As for headphones, I use these AirPods. I personally don't like actual big headset, so even before these AirPods, I used to use Bolt Bluetooth device. For all the power connections, I have used this extension strip. It can accommodate all my gadgets such as MacBook charger, monitor adapter, and phone charger. This small platform helps to arrange this strip nicely. All the cables get hidden under the mesh stand. And yes, I have this USB multi-port hub which helps me to connect extra USBs to MacBook. On the other side of desk, I have kept a book, planner and a pen, and of course a water bottle. I have purposely avoided to keep any decorative items as we get lot of dust due to constructions nearby. And obviously that leads to additional cleaning. I personally like space which is less cluttered even visually. So this is how minimally and simply I have set up my desk. It has no visual clutter, which obviously helps me in clarity of mind. This is where I spend most of the time during the day. That's why keeping it as simple as possible is main focus. I have only kept stuff which I actually use and not more than that.
So guys, I hope you get a little bit inspired to organize and set up your work desk too by watching this video, how my desk setup is look like. And make sure you leave a comment below if you have any suggestion or feedback for me. It really means a lot when you do that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.